What is the value of the ratio x is to y? If ABC is half the area of equilateral triangle, such that line AC equals 2 units, then line BC equals x, which equals to 1 unit. Since line A equals line CE, which equals to 1 unit, by Pythagoras' theorem, line AB equals the square root of 3 units. Again, angle BAC equals 30 degrees and angle ACB equals 60 degrees. It follows that angle CBD equals 30 degrees. Consider right triangle BCD. Line CD divided by line BC equals cosine 60 degrees, which equals to half, as shown on the screen. Cross multiply and we have that line CD equals half. Since line C equals line AE, which equals to 1 unit, it implies that the sum of line CD and line D equals to line CE. Substitute values. The sum of half and line DE equals to 1. It follows that line DE equals to 1 minus half, which equals to half. Hence, line CD equals to line DE, which equals to half. Let angle DCF be equals to alpha. It implies that angle labeled DFE equals alpha. Since angle DEF equals to 90 degrees minus alpha. Triangle EDF is congruent to triangle FDC. It follows that line DE divided by line DF equals line DF divided by line CD, which equals to tan alpha. Substitute values. We have that half divided by line DF equals line DF divided by half. Cross multiply. It means that the square of line DF equals the square of half. Take the square root of the equation. Line DF equals to half. From triangle CDF. Use Pythagoras' theorem. The square of y equals the sum of the square of line CD and the square of line DF. Substitute values. We have that the square of y equals to 2 divided by 4, which equals to half. Take the square root of the equation. Y equals to 1 divided by the square root of 2. Since x equals to 1, it signifies that the ratio x is to y equals the inverse of 1 divided by the square root of 2, which equals to the square root of 2. Therefore, the value of the ratio x is to y equals the square root of 2. A is the correct option.